Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy puts on Schwab. In this video, we will walk you through the steps involved in purchasing put options using the Schwab trading platform. First, you need to log into your Schwab account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one and fund it before you can start trading options. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Trade tab at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Options. You will need to enter the ticker symbol for the stock for which you want to buy put options. After entering the symbol, you will see a list of available options contracts. Make sure to look for the expiration date and strike price that suits your trading strategy. Next, select the put option you are interested in purchasing. Click on the option to view additional details such as the premium and open interest. Once you have decided on the specific contract, click the Buy button. You will be prompted to enter the number of contracts you wish to purchase and your order type, such as market or limit order. Finally, review your order carefully to ensure that all details are correct. When you are ready, submit your order. After your order is executed, you will be able to track your position in your Schwab account. Congratulations, you now know how to buy puts on Schwab. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more trading tips.